Chale? Okay, thank you guys so much for doing this. What are your names again?
I'm Asma.
I'm Jetstream.
Thank you so much for doing this. Simple चीज से शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है? Let's start with something simple. Who lies more, men or women?
Men.
Men.
Why?
It's just, it's
फितरत है.
Pass me, mic pass me.
फितरत है थोड़ी.
I feel attacked. I feel attacked.
मेरे को लगता है पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस में.
Okay. क्या क्या झूठ बोले? What have men lied to you about?
मेरे को एक बंदे ने अपनी क्लास के बारे में लाइक किया था.
क्लास के बारे में?
हाँ.
same.
In what sense?
I don't know, उसने बस ऐसे ही बोल दिया, कोई सेंस नहीं बनी थी, कुछ बात नहीं थी, बस ऐसी कि मैं उस टाइम क्लास 6 में थी मैं.
Okay.
He was in class 8.
Okay.
They lied me कि he was in class 7. No sense. But
पता नहीं. For some reason you are attracting idiotic men. You have to do something. अच्छा. Love or money?
love or
Love.
Money.
love.
Face or height?
Height.
Height.
Why so? So you will marry an ugly guy who's 6'5".
Yes.
Yes. I won't marry a guy who's smaller than me.
Smaller than you. In
And
what?
shorter than me.
Oh. Toxic guys, good guys.
Good guys.
Good guys.
That's a lie.
That's it.
Acha, show me one picture of your exes. Let's see if they are good guys or toxic guys.
Okay.
कोड ही बता दूंगा वीडियो पे.
मैं अभी वाले की बता सकती हूँ?
बिल्कुल, of course. जितनों के बताओगे उतना अच्छा है.
नहीं, जो अभी है मेरा.
Okay.
current. He doesn't post much.
What about you?
I'll show my ex.
Please. And what are you guys doing these days?
I'm in 12th.
Class 12th. Studying what?
Commerce. Commerce.
You?
Non.
Non-med. I feel for you.
This is him.
Okay. गुस्से वाला सिंपल बंदा.
Yes. He is very nice.
What about you?
I'll show my ex.
मतलब लड़कियां कितनी प्राउडली अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स और एक्सेस आजकल बताती है ना. हमारे टाइम में तो हम बताते थे, छितर पड़ जाते थे घर वालों से.
मैंने उसको ब्लॉक किया रखा.
He's
So you don't have pictures of your guys, but you are looking up their Instagrams.
he's blocked her too and me too.
Why?
नहीं, मैंने शुरू ब्लॉक किया.
And she blocked him.
Okay. What is one thing about guys that you don't understand?
झूठ बोलना. No.
Shall we do it in English ताकि सबको समझ आ जाए?
Okay.
क्योंकि हिंदी में व्यूज आते ही नहीं है.
Alright.
Whatever you're comfortable with. So you're saying lying.
Yes.
That guys lie.
Yes.
Okay. And what about you?
Same. Where's that?
Do they? Most of the breakups are done by guys or girls.
I think girls,
Same opinion.
And who makes most of the proposals?
guys.
This is bad. Yeah, this is wrong. We make the proposals and we are also dumped.
I think guys should be the one that should make an effort first.
Okay. And what about you? What do you think? Guys should be the one to make the first move?
I think that's manly.
What about equality? What about equality?
I don't believe equality in that. I think I should.
Equality is a buffet then. You pick up what you like and leave what you don't.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's get into something a bit serious. Guys say that they want a girl without a past. What do you want to say to those guys?
If a guy has a past, then a girl should also have a past. It should be equal on this too. If you want equality on the past.
So if you want a guy who's 6 foot, you should also be 6 foot.
No.
If you want a guy who can lift 200 kgs, you should also be able to lift 200 kgs.
No, we are asking only part of it. मैं पंजाबी च गल कर रही.
करो कोई गल नहीं.
ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਪਾਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਪਰ ਉਹ ਫਿਰ 7-8 ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਮੂਰੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ, ਫਿਰ ਐਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ 100 ਕੁੜੀ ਲਿਆਉਂਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰੇ. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਥੋੜੇ ਫਿਰ ਕਰਮਾ gets back, you get a girl जो
Maybe.
same करके आई है.
The thing is that attraction is not symmetrical. The things that you like in a guy are not the things that guys like in you, right? This is the thing. Plus, as girls, you have to say no to guys. 100 लड़कों को यहाँ प्रपोज मारोगे 110 लड़के हाँ बोलेंगे,
हाँ नहीं।
लड़के 10 को बोलेंगे 9 में से की रिजेक्शन होगी. So it's very hard for guys to get a girl. It's very easy for a girl to get a guy. This is why for girls having a pass is bad. For a guy it's a great thing because if a guy is getting a lot of girls, he's doing something right.
No, I don't believe that.
For a
I
guy
like
to be
mine
attractive, he
untouched.
has to be tall, well dressed, well spoken, well educated, from a good family, well dressed, everything.
Yes.
He also has to have game, charismatic.
I don't
He has
understand
to be very charismatic. तो बढ़िया लगना चाहिए था भाई बुद्धि बंदे को.
what.
All these things guys have to work with. Everything that is attractive about girls, they are born with. You are born with your beauty. You don't have to do anything. एक दिन जिम नहीं गए होगे लाइफ में, ठीक है ना? So you are born with everything that makes you attractive. That is why you think that it's easy for guys to attract. It's not. All the girls are attracted to the same small percentage of guys. I've been a teacher, I've been a professor, so I know. I've studied this. How did you meet your partner?
I met him online. First we chatted on a GC and then someone introduced us. But then we met from mutual friends and there were a lot of comments and I blocked him. I don't know for what reason. And then I unblocked him.
I think you have those mood swings.
Yes, I
Oh
blocked
my
him
God.
because I had a crush on a guy and I was becoming very loyal to him. So I was like, block every other guy. And I blocked every other guy. And then when I got over him, so I unblocked him and I said, sorry, ki teri ye galti nahi thi, I'm sorry. And then we started talking and then I loved him again.
What about you?
I met someone mutually,
What is mutually?
like a mutual person made us meet.
Very, very nebulous. What is the craziest thing that you've done in life?
Not that crazy to be honest.
Come on.
No, I'm not that crazy.
You look like a crazy girl. Come on, tell me. You think you're Sharif and you're very structured and disciplined and all, but there is a very crazy, uncontrolled side to you. So tell me.
I can't come up with anything right now.
Ah, come on. What about you? इतनी शरीफ तो लड़कियां लग नहीं रहे हो तुम.
नहीं हम हैं.
Okay, so this is a very something that's very touchy to most people, especially depends on the confidence level. What is your body count?
0.
Zero.
So you've had boyfriends, but your body count is 0. How does that even make sense?
I had only one ex for 2 weeks. That didn't work out. I understand that they wouldn't want any future. He was looking for something casual. So I ended it. And then now I'm in a relationship, but we don't meet. It's long distance. So nobody can. And I have said him that we'll do anything.
हर बार invitation देना पड़ेगा.
And she was talking.
Oh,
So I had a boyfriend who lived a lot far from here. So
okay.
we only
Long
met,
distance.
we only met 2 times a month, I guess, or
Okay.
3 months, right? 2 times in 3 months. And the first ex I had, I was in 7, so
First X. Okay. I heard
was in-
something else.
I was in 7, so
Okay.
that doesn't come in.
Oh, that see the number of exes who don't count. मतलब मजाक ही हो गया. Girls choose which ex to count, which doesn't. अच्छा. What is the best advice that you've ever received about love and relationships?
Communicate. Tell what you're feeling. उसको सपने नहीं आएंगे. Tell what you're feeling.
Do you?
I do.
The शुक्र है.
Choose someone that you think is your best friend.
That is really bad advice. Anyways, and what is the best advice that you can give someone? Let's say a younger sister or a cousin, younger cousin. She asks you for some advice about love and
I
relationships.
think what I've seen most commonly in girls that they can't be more understanding towards boys.
Okay.
And that I'll recommend that.
कितनी अच्छी लड़की है यार.
I think if your communication is good with them and if you feel like you're more you with them.
Okay, so you need to know a lot of languages, and you don't need to have multiple personality disorder.
Yes, like if you can be the real person, the real you that you are, that you feel.
You met your guys online, virtually, and you want real persons.
Okay.
What is your biggest regret about relationships?
That I dated my ex.
Hmm?
That I dated my ex. I was
That you dated?
my ex. I was blind by I don't know how. I never had the intention to date. I was like, okay, I won't date. I'll do arranged marriage. But then I met him and I don't know what came to mind and I dated him for 2 weeks. And I dated him.
Depends upon what part of the cycle you met him.
Man,
If you met him when you were ovulating, obviously you're going to go for the bad boy, the hot guy.
I think that was the case.
When you meet him, when you meet a nice guy in your luteal phase, then you'll go for someone who's caring. ये चलता रहता. One of the reasons girls are not allowed to make their own decisions. That's one of the reasons. What about you?
Choosing someone that doesn't like choosing someone that has many options other than you and you putting them first.
One of the first girls who's realized this. How old are you right now? 18.
I'm 17.
Oh. Most girls do not realize that all of them are running after the same guy, and those guys have definitely a lot of options. ठीक है ना? तो it's like 50,000 तुम्हारी सैलरी हो और तुम एक दिन फरारी किराए पे लेके फिर को मैं तो कंगाल हो गई है. This is what girls are doing. देखो लड़कों का दिल बहुत बड़ा होता है, किसी को ना नहीं बोलते. लड़की की प्रॉब्लम ये है वो लड़कियां सब अपने से ऊपर लड़के को डेट करेंगी. बेटर एजुकेटेड हो, रिचर हो, अच्छी फैमिली से हो, बेटर हो किसी तरह. लड़कों को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I don't know, but I think you hate women from your words.
हाँ?
I don't know, I get the feeling that you hate women from your words.
No.
ऊपर वाले को चूज करेंगी.
नहीं.
Something like
This
that.
is I told you I study this professionally and I've also taught this. This is so that only better genes are passed to the next generation. सारी फीमेल्स ऐसी होती है, लड़कियां ही नहीं, ह्यूमन फीमेल्स नहीं, सारी फीमेल्स ही ऐसी होती है. ठीक है, दिस इज इनेट नेचर. सो एट सम टिल सम लेवल इट इज फाइन. बेटर लड़का चूज करना चाहिए, बट व्हेन यू आर गिवन फ्रीडम, जैसे एक गैराज में ले जाओ तुम्हें सारी लड़कियों को और वहां को भी सारी गाड़ियां दुनिया की कोई चूज कर लो जितनी मर्जी, कोई उतनी चूज करेगा. ऑल ऑफ देम विल बी रनिंग आफ्टर द फरारीज, द लैम्बोर्गिनीज, द रोल्स रॉयस. लड़कियां भी ऐसे कर रही हैं. दे जस्ट डोंट नो इट. इसको पता चल गया. तो अब देखते हैं whether she changes her behavior or not. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि once you girls get stuck at the higher setting, अगर 10 और 10 लड़का डेट कर दिया ना तो लड़ाई भी पसंद नहीं आएगा. ये प्रॉब्लम है, दैट इज परमानेंट. वो कभी ठीक नहीं होगा. एनीवेज मैं पढ़ाना बंद करूं. Who gets cheated on the most, guys or girls?
Girls. This is true.
I think I have to agree with that. From my environment, from my
Okay,
surroundings, I think
okay.
yes.
Understandable. Why do girls put guys in the friend zone?
Because we don't see any other guy or every guy that way.
Okay. No. Putting a guy in the friend zone means it's not that you're being friends with him. It's telling him you're a friend, but giving him hints at the same time that there is something possible in the future. That is a friend
We
zone.
just like pension.
You're the second girl to admit that girls like attention. Yes, that is very right. Girls are born addicted to attention. That is your drug. You're born addicted. The girls who control that will control their life. Guys who can control their sex drive will control their life. Achha. How many guys have you put in the friend zone?
Many.
Give us a number. 10, 50, 100, 1,000,
More than 7,
billions?
I guess. Or
Oh
more than.
shit. Can we hear the names please? ताकि इनको पता चल जाए.
I don't remember the name. There's too many.
What about you?
I don't remember exactly, but I think 3 to 4.
3 to 4. Okay. You've heard of ghosting? Have you ever tried it? Done it?
Sure.
What happened? Just give us a quick summary.
Like if they give us like too much attention, a bit of too much, then we ghost them. Like I ghost them.
Younger generation ना बहुत clearly सब कुछ बोल देती है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. मतलब it's really great that people say this out loud now. What about you?
If I don't like the vibe, so I'll put them on some.
Ghost him.
Yes.
Okay. Technically ghosting means you're in kind of a relationship and you just disappear. मतलब ना break up ना कुछ और गायब ही हो गए.
Kind of in relation when you know, then I've been. But no, then no.
How many dates should a guy wait to make a move?
For me, 4.
4 dates. 5 dates. Okay. What about you?
3 months.
3 months.
Like know each other better if you want to be in
Okay.
a relationship. Or
Okay.
Start dating.
Okay. And how long should a girl wait to let a guy make a move?
I think girls shouldn't make moves.
No. How many days should a girl wait to let the guy make a move? बंदा तो try कर रहा है. ठीक है. How many days should a girl wait?
I guess same.
Yes, same.
That is why I tell people the rule is sex होता है तो लड़की की मर्जी से होता है, नहीं तो नहीं होता.
हाँ.
लड़की की मर्जी के बिना अगर सेक्स होता है उसे दफा 300. ठीक है. Should guys always be the one to make the first move?
Yes.
Very strongly believe that.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's manly duty for them to make moves.
Okay. Do you realize how many guys you've missed? Great guys you've missed because you didn't make a move.
No,
None.
none.
Hmm. Is it okay for a girl to check a guy's phone?
Yes.
Yes.
So I guess you've done that.
Yes.
Yes.
What did you find?
Nothing.
Nothing.
ड्यूल स्क्रीन रखी नहीं थी बंदे ने एंड इज नो हाँ थोड़ा सा पास दैट्स इट वैसे भी लड़कियों की आवाज थोड़ी कम होती है एंड व्हाट अबाउट द रिवर्स शुड अ गाय चेक द गर्ल्स
Yeah,
फोन
sure.
चीजें छुपानी आती हैं मतलब दे नो हाउ टू हाइड थिंग्स क्या ना कमिटेड गाय हैव अ फीमेल बेस्ट फ्रेंड
No. A big no.
Big.
कितना बड़ा पिग नो इतना बड़ा
बहुत बड़ा सिस्टर हो सकती है बेस्ट फ्रेंड
सिस्टर मेरे को आजकल ना उनका ही काम बड़ा खराब है
Blood related sister.
ओह एंड व्हाट अबाउट द रिवर्स
No.
वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड होंगी भाई भाई है तो ठीक है वरना नहीं
ओके देयर इज अ सेट ऑफ ट्विंस दो लड़के हैं टू गाइस हु आर ट्विंस सेम इन एवरी रिस्पेक्ट ठीक है वन गाय इज अ वर्जिन द अदर इज अ प्लेबॉय थाउजेंड गर्ल्स व्हिच वन वुड यू चूज
वर्जन
Virgin.
आई होप सो okay since you guys say that guys should always be the one to make the first move if you have a crush on a guy how would you get his attention
I usually ignore them I like the guy. I tend
how
to
does
ignore
that
them.
make sense or work
I don't know I just wait for them to text me and then I'll reply.
Talk to them, look them up and down for once, and they'll follow you. Like, if I like that guy, I'll look him up and down, and usually guys follow.
follow you from where
Like, he'll follow you and come talk to you.
okay so guys do that now
Yeah, most of them.
या जैसे जैसे बढ़ती रहेगी वो नहीं करेंगे okay when was the last time somebody said something or gave you a compliment that you turned pink मतलब, you're blushing
My boyfriend
what was the compliment
um he complimented me कि he wrote a big paragraph about writing a lot of things like
Okay.
about me and advice about me.
can we hear a few lines
I think I have the screenshot. Let me check. He mainly complimented about my family.
Okay.
I like your family and how you.
he met your family
No, he has never, but I always tell him about all the things and I make them video calls. Kind of serious.
video calls with your
Yes.
family
And you?
your boyfriend is having video calls with your family
With my mother. Not my father doesn't know, my brother doesn't know. My sister does know and my mother does know. So they can have calls.
दिखाओ अगर कुछ है तो
I can't exactly find
that's
anyone,
okay कोई बात
so-
नहीं ये तो होगा what is the best outfit that you have that you know that when you wear it everybody's looking at you
Black top, blue jeans, black boots. Pajama.
what about you
I don't remember it like that. I guess. I think a fur coat and a black skirt with long boots.
okay my kind of girl do you have a picture of that outfit
No, I don't.
I think I do. But I think it will take a lot of time to find it.
how many pictures do you have on your phone of yourself
I have about 4,000 photos. याद. A lot of photos.
हमारे 40 होते हैं डिलीट कर देते हैं favorite body part in a guy
I think shoulders, broad shoulders.
I guess if height counts
yeah
as one,
other than height
and I don't think I have one.
chest arms Pass.
Sure.
Mohit, your time. Trimmed beard or clean shaven?
Trimmed beard.
उसकी तरह. Okay, what should a girl do if a guy cheats on her?
Leave him.
Leave him. Run as
Probably
fast as
punish
you
him.
can.
I think cheating is the worst thing any guy or any girl can do. So I think
I'm sorry?
punish him. I think cheating is the worst thing any guy or girl can do. So punish him.
How?
Scratch his car. Do something.
Like, I told you, this is the crazy side there. And what would you do?
Like, I take revenge too, the same way she did. Like, cars are really important to guys, na?
Mm-hmm.
Do the same thing. Scratch his car or something. Break his mirror or something.
Okay. Why do girls share the private details of their boyfriends with their girlfriends?
Gossip.
Come on, private details, come on.
It's nice gossip. It's nice to discuss things. We get the
You do
reactions.
realize we regard it as cheating, right?
Okay. I don't know.
I don't.
I don't?
I don't share things too.
Of course you don't. इतनी अच्छी लड़कियां क्यों शेयर करेंगी?
Exactly.
Is a girl justified in hiding a past?
No.
No.
Why is it that girls first say that tell me the truth, I won't get mad, and then when you tell them the truth, they get mad? Why is that?
Because we know guys will lie. So we try to comfort them in telling the truth and then we show them our real person. Yo, that reaction.
What about you? यार ये तो गलत बात है यार. You're manipulating simple, nice guys.
No.
Okay. What would happen if your family members find your secret diary?
I don't have a secret diary, but I think if they find them, I'll probably be scolded. And they'll get to know about my boyfriend. And then get to pass out and then I'll be kicked out.
You have the entire thing mapped out. ठीक है.
I don't think I have a secret diary. Like, people use notes on their phone nowadays.
Yeah. Girls especially use notes on their phones. गर्मी लग रही है यार. Risky but fun cheese that you've done. Risky but fun thing.
I think dating.
Same. Dating when you're like when you're in 7th, 8th or something.
And all girls start dating when they're in 7th or 8th. Male or female boss?
Nemo,
Male or female boss?
female boss.
Male.
You don't know anything about female bosses, do you?
I like seeing women being empowered. So.
You're going to have very, very bad experiences with female bosses. Which city's guys have the worst reputation?
Kharad.
Hmm?
Kharad.
So your ex was from Kharad?
No, I just heard a lot of things about boys from Kharad.
Okay.
Chandigarh, I guess.
Thank you. And which city's girls have the worst reputation?
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
I think girls originally from Chandigarh are not that bad. So you can't say that
Yes,
as
smart girl. Because only when girls are away from the family and known ones can they act out. One red flag that you should never ignore.
I think there are a lot. I have
List
a
them out.
If a guy is defending another girl in front of you, if she's her friend or like a best friend or just normal friends, like if a guy can defend another girl in front of you and he's choosing someone else over you, then that's the biggest
So
red.
defending against you, as in you are fighting with the girl.
No, I guess like we are talking about a girl and the person that the guy is defending that girl like in front of me. Like she's
Okay.
not that bad, she's not like that.
Okay, okay. You have to note this. What about you?
I think when you're in an argument and you try to put your points and he gets defensive instead of understanding where you're coming from and trying to comfort you.
Okay. Yes,
What do you
that's a
get?
good point. Why is it that girls will keep at least one thing from every one of their exes? बहुत अच्छी तरह संभाल के रखती हैं.
I don't.
मैंने तो नहीं रखा.
You're the first girls who don't. Have you ever seen a girl go out on dates with multiple guys in one day?
Yes.
देखा तो नहीं, सुना है.
Tell us a little about that.
Like my boyfriend's friend goes out with many girls on a single day.
No. Girl who goes out with multiple guys in a single day.
And I, girls, I did.
Why is it that most girls have had a serious breakup by class 7?
I think girls by then think it's fun to love someone, like they're very new to it, so it's by then.
No, point is on.
Best picture of you that you have in a phone. 10 सेकंड में जो ढूंढ सकते हो. एक मिनट. You carry both of your phones? ठीक है. Are you okay? छोटा कर ले. वो भी uncomfortable हो रही है, मैं भी uncomfortable हो रहा हूँ.
I think this.
This is you?
Yes.
Impossible.
This
दिखाना
is
जरा. नहीं, पास में जाकर दिखा दे. This cannot be her. This cannot. I don't believe it. नहीं, I'm serious यार. Come on.
नहीं, this is nice. This is nice.
अच्छा, मतलब मुंडे वाले फोटो पे चढ़ ली. वही है कि okay.
Basically.
Wait, you put all your pictures on Instagram?
Some I do. Like you have 2 accounts for it. Like this.
Miss Petrol.
एक तो फिल्टर्स ने. Come on.
Like
Show us a good picture. इसमें तो 3 थी.
the same thing, nothing. Mm-mm.
डेटिंग ऐप पे एकदम लेट्स स्वाइप होना था ये.
Balban.
Hmm?
Balban.
मान दो.
I guess this.
मतलब जितनी शरीफ, the more simple and sober a girl looks in her pictures. Guys often want a girlfriend who has very long hair. I've dated girls with very long hair, like down to the knees, and it's a huge problem. All of them want to cut their hair.
I don't want to cut my hair. I think it's for religious purposes. I have my long hair.
No, they were both sick.
Oh.
The 2 girls that I'm talking about. So let's see when you have a serious breakup. That's when girls do the most stupid shit.
Me?
No, I don't know. I'm talking about other girls. The ones I'm. Okay. Has it ever happened that a guy has come up to you and clearly said, "Yeah, you want to hook up"?
Indirectly, one guy said, he asked my friend that is Dextrin
Huh?
He indirectly asked my friend that is Dextrin Christian would hook up and all. So she said no, she's not like.
No.
Never been approached directly. And have you ever approached a guy?
Never.
What's your weirdest turn on?
It's hard to think about one if you're like directly.
Let's have 2, 3 things that you like in a guy that turn you on. Simple.
I don't think. I'm not able to think of one right now.
मेरे को नहीं लगता बताना चाहिए.
That's okay. That's okay. Why do girls sometimes get crushes on other girls?
I don't know the answer to this, I guess. Yes.
Have you ever seen it?
I think I heard a line, I cannot remember it from Insta Reels, and I think I can very much relate to it. An average woman is just a good man. He, the kind of princess treatment girls give, lesbians को इतना princess treatment मिलता है, वो एक average या फिर एक princess treatment वाला man देगा जो कि average woman दे देती है. So I think that's why.
When did you have your first serious breakup?
Class 11.
Hmm?
Class 11, class before. But it was not a serious breakup, I was just in guilt.
2 weeks.
Yes, I was very madly in love.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Your friend here is writing essays about how you should get to know the guy first for 3 months, 6 months.
As you said, I was ovulating. So that's why.
I was finishing my 10th at that time,
Board Modagi.
and I was in a 3 year long relationship.
Class 10th,
Like
3 year
from
long, 7th to 10th,
8th to 10th.
8th to 10th. Okay. What is the most common cuss word that you use? सबसे ज़्यादा गाली कौन सी use करते हो?
बहन की चूड़ियां.
Um, I don't curse much. Like I don't.
Whatever you do.
And same as she does.
मैंने इससे सीखा है.
अच्छा.
So same.
Say that to the camera. Say that in the mic.
बहन की चूड़ियां.
I don't know what that means.
Like
बहन की टक्की is a curse word ना, so we replace it with चूड़ियां.
कान मेरे खून निकलने लग गया. Can you remain friends with an ex? क्या बात है, पहले देख लेते हो. Giant wheel.
no.
No? Have you tried? I
No.
tried. I lasted 24 hours. शादी में, if he calls you to his wedding, then
Don't go. Why is he inviting you? Why isn't he able to?
I've made the mistake of going to an ex's wedding.
That's bad.
Yeah, I vomited. What is one exercise in which you can beat guys? Rope skipping, jumping, pull-ups, sit-ups, push-ups, whatever.
Skipping.
Oh, काफी टाइम हो गया skipping की है फिर. What about you?
Exercise I can beat guys in.
She can beat guys. She doesn't need to beat them.
Like if you're doing a split, I guess. If you're flexible or something, doing
You can do splits.
like I used to, but now I run.
Why would you do splits? Were you a gymnast?
Yeah, type of, kind of. Or you can dance better than guys. I
Oh.
guess.
Look, अगर बाराती डांस करना फिर तो we can beat you any time of the day. Okay. Red flags that you cannot resist. You know those are red flags, but you can't resist them. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I don't think so. I did so well.
I guess if a guy is calling a group of girl or a single girl hot in front of his friend and you're with them too.
Not really. Chalo, I understand. It's kind of disrespectful to you.
Yeah.
Cruelest thing that you've done to an ex, to anyone, whatever. Said or done, किसी लड़की को बोला हो कुछ.
My ex cheated on me, so I got together with his friend to get back on him.
So you hooked up with his friend to get back at him.
Yeah, kind of like it
खुराफाती लड़कियां हैं भाई. These are dangerous girls.
like he had a big ego and it would hurt his ego, so I did it.
Okay. What kind of friend he was, yaar? मतलब the guy who hooked up with you.
Like they weren't talking for a bit, so he got together with him. But then they started talking again.
Okay. So. Okay. Craziest confessions.
None.
Come on. Wildest college experience.
None.
बोलो बोलो ऐसे नहीं.
12वीं में.
हाँ? बाद में बता देना.
12वीं में तो मैं स्कूल नहीं जाती. I go to school.
चलो, I think that this will be it. फोन की बैटरी खत्म हो, हार्ड डिस्क खत्म हो गई. Thank you so much for doing this.
Oh, can you have a page?
Yeah, of course.